How are you? Welcome to Thailand, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pretty excited today. It's been 6 years since I have last been to Thailand, and here I am now. And I'm in my car now, which I have just rented from Hertz. Yeah, so I'll be going on a road trip. So let's follow me on my adventure to Thailand. Let's go. Hi, this is my first stop in Thailand, which is Ayutthaya. It's the house of Khun Pheng. If you guys know who Khun Pheng is, he was a general previously who served the king. Yeah. So many people believe that his amulet will give you special protection, like good ren yuan and good in your work, your health, your wealth, and protection against evil. Yeah. So let's take a look inside. Khun Pheng is a famous Thai folk epic about a love story set against a backdrop of war. The story is full of romance, adventure, violence, and magic. Khun Pheng was a handsome man who used magical powers in battle, including amulets and other items. Many Thais believe that Buddhist amulets give the wearer supernatural abilities such as success, happiness, and protection from disease, witchcraft, and misfortune. Thank you. That's a lot. Hey, so I'm finally having my dinner at Farmer's Market. Yeah, so actually I took the buggy from the hotel all the way to this location. It's about 800 meters. Yeah, but the price of this food is a little bit pricey. It cost me about 2,000 baht for one person. But they have like a small selection of choices like salads and pizzas. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my meal now. Okay guys, I finally arrived in Khao Yai after a 2 hours drive from Bangkok airport. Yeah, so this is my resort, Ata Resort Lakeside Suite, and it's cost me about like $240 SGD per night. It's really a nice place that you guys should try. It's such a pleasant view, it's cooling, nice scenery. Take a look guys. Okay, so I'll be heading to my dinner soon. And I'll see you guys later. See ya! I'll be having my breakfast now. As you can see, there's a wide spread of buffet selection. There's a lot of live, what do you call that? Live station. Yes, you can ask them to cook eggs, cook noodles, anything you want. I have arrived at the biggest Pt1 temple. Pt1 is particularly revered for its protection against danger and misfortune. Many people in Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries wear amulets bearing his image, believing that they will be protected from harm. Oh, there's like mini pigs. So cute. Oh, can feed the pigs. Oh my god, it's so cute. Have just arrived at Pen Lao, going for my lunch. Seems quite nice, so I'm gonna try it out. Let's go. The pad thai at 80 baht. The spicy meat costs 130 baht. And the grilled chicken costs 130 baht. Papaya salad shrimp 120 baht. And there's the coconut custard pudding at 40 baht. I have reached the peak of the Khao Yai National Park, Thailand. Costs about $400 per person. Ta-da! Khao Yai National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its lush rainforest, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes. Haew Suwat Waterfall. Yeah, I'm getting nearer to the waterfall. Let's head on, let's head on. I've finally seen a real life waterfall after so many years. Take a look at it. How beautiful. How are you? Welcome to Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. How do you do? Yes, we are now in Saison, the reservoir, which is located in the Khao Yai National Park, Thailand. Nice view, nice breeze, and it's cooling.